What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and this is gonna be a short, really quick video on how to take out, how to replace, how to remove, whatever you want to call it. But I'm gonna be taking out and replacing my center caps for my rims. I just got these rims the other day. I put up a video 2 days ago. It's gonna be in the bio description. So what I'm gonna be doing is replacing these with the red ESR center caps. And if you're wondering, these are the ESR SR01s in Hyper Silver. All the specs on and a lot of fun stuff is in the video before this, so I'm gonna leave that down in the description. So I'm gonna be replacing the silver center caps with the red ones. Now, I'm not trying to take off my wheel and pop them out from the back. So what I'm gonna be using is, because this is all I have, is the suction cup mount that I use for my GoPro. I have the suction cup here with the little thing that presses down on it. I don't know if this is even a good view, like this. And I'm sure that what you have to do is make sure that your center cap is clean and make sure this has a good suction. This isn't the best suction on it, but it should work. So all you have to do is put it right onto the center cap and make sure it sticks. And then once it's on, just pull straight. You don't want to pull up to the side. You want to go pull straight back. Just like that. That came off so easy. Just go ahead, you want to take it off. Just whatever you want to do with it. Throw it out, throw it in the air, throw it across the street, keep it, it doesn't matter. And then you're going to take your new center cap, or if you're going to leave it off, then you do you. But you want to go ahead and just pop right back in the new one. Just like that, you got to use just a little bit of force. Snap them right back in. So again, I'm going to show you on my front tire now, my front rim rather. You take the suction cup part of your GoPro mount or any type of mount you have, you put it right on the center cap, make sure it sticks, fold this thing even bob down, and then you should be able to pull right off, like that, nice and easy. Go ahead, take it off here, and then go ahead and put in your new one. Boom, nice and easy. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and do it to my other two rims and I'll get back to you guys when I do. Alright guys, just like that, the old center caps are out, the new center caps are in, with literally just the use of your GoPro suction mount or any type of suction mount you have. Nice and easy, took me 5 minutes. Popped out the old ones, put in the new ones. That was it, called it a day. Alright guys, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.